When you're broke, but your parents doing alright, so they're gonna send you something nice to add into your pitiful diet. And I am that lucky bastard, so today I made this red wine beef rib rice bowl. You're excited, huh? And let's get it. Get a wok or a pie, pour in some cold water. I mean, even though my parents' situation is way better than mine, it doesn't mean they're gonna give me something nice, okay? Look at this shit, man. They call it rib. To me, it looks more like trim meat. Like, god damn, look at the fat cap. This meat ain't got no fat cap. The meat is the cap. Anyway, fuck it. Let's blanch the meat. High heat, bring it to boil. Skin off the foam, turn down the heat for presentation. Add in half onion, white or purple, depends on your local prices. A big piece of squash ginger. You know, it needs a little squash to be more productive. Any spices you got in here, and don't give too much shit about the ratio between those spices, you're broke. Okay, let's turn up the heat again and pour in the red wine broth. For my new friends, a couple days ago I made a broth with dried dates and seaweed, boiled in red wine. If you want to check out the video, the link is in the description, but if you don't want to check it out, I gotta let you know the red wine I was using only cost $3, so judge me harder. And this rich asshole is pretending to be broke for attention. Motherfucker, I wish. Shit, anyway, when it's boiling again, turn down to low heat. Lid on, let it simmer for 2 hours. Alright, 2 hours later, let's check them out. It's soupy. The meat is tender though, but I don't mind to make it softer, so turn up to medium heat. Reduce the juice, no lid. Meanwhile, take out the onion and ginger and spices. Taste your seasoning, make your adjustment. Come on now, we're grown-ass men and women. We know how to satisfy our taste, but more sour sugar or pepper, as you wish. Approximately 23 minutes and 17 seconds later, here you have it. Nice and saucy, sexy, beautiful like Gordon Ramsay. Cool fish luxury ribs. Pair it with your favorite carbs and veggies and enjoy the feast.